Hello, dear ones. Here is another mindful movement offering for you this Monday. I am feeling many mixed emotions today. Disbelief, grief, horror at the discovery of the bodies of 215 children at the residential school. And I am doing my best to educate myself and contribute in every way I can to be part of fixing what has been done and see how we can even begin to make amends. And so that is very, very heavy. And then on the other hand, for me, this weekend I took partly took part in a workshop and was just immersed with incredible people and feel very inspired. And anyway, I was inspired to do this partly because of the work of the wonderful Chris Assaad, who I did a workshop with. And I hope that I've been wanting to actually use some vocalization for a while. So let's just get started. It would be great for you to do this in a place where you will be by yourself and that you feel comfortable in, because we will be using our voice. And so you just want to be able to make noise freely, yeah, and not feel judgment or worry or any of those things. So let's just begin and let's do my favorite. We'll just do a little bit of knocking on Heaven's Gate. And as we're standing here, if you don't have shoes on, really feel like you could sink into sand. So ground your feet into the earth. Send your roots deep. And already, let's begin to hear the rhythm of the gentle connection that our hands make on our back. Let's hear the rhythm of our breath. Good. And then let's feel the air as we release the gentle hitting, that connection, and we just connect with the air around us. Good, and let's allow that to kind of sway. We could even embody a tree here so that we can really think about growing our roots into the ground. Good, okay, let's settle, bringing one hand to our heart, one hand to our belly. Breathe into those two places. Feel the verticality of your breath in the next two. So as you inhale, pressing into the feet, lifting into the crown. And as you exhale, let's feel the width. So go sideways, just in your mind. Breathing in, down and up. Exhale, expand out. Felt so good. Let's do that one more time. Up and down, breathing in. And wide as you can as we breathe out. Good. We're going to do a gentle heel strike. So I'm lifting up onto my toes just a little bit. And I'm going to allow my heels to kind of just come down. You can make this fast or as slow as you want. It can be gentle or more aggressive. And what I'm interested in is that same rhythm that we felt when we made contact, our hands on our back. And I'm loving and wanting to connect to that reverberation. So can you feel the ripple that reaches up through the feet, the heels, the ankle joints, the lower leg, your knee, coming up the thighs, your pelvis, into your belly, out to your head, even into your arms. And could you imagine how that distributes like a little mini earthquake into the ground? A couple more of these. Feel the steady rhythm, almost like a heartbeat. Yeah, if I was with my husband in the hospital, we would feel, yeah, and the echocardiogram, yeah, okay, we can let that subside and let's sit in the residue. Can you feel how that has affected you? Without judgment, just observing with a curiosity. Can you sit in the aftermath? Excuse me while I get a drink. Okay. Ooh. Apparently it's bringing things up. I should have said if you need water to get some. We're going to be doing a vocalization on our exhale. And Chris, I hope you don't mind that I'm boring this. I love this one. So I did this, and we're going to play. Now, you will hear mine, but please let it be your investigation, your exploration. So try not to let me bias you in any way. So we are going to breathe in, and then we are going to give a tone to our exhale. First, actually, let's open up our jaw. So we're just going to rub our cheeks underneath, get at it a little, and then we'll breathe in and just good. Let's do that 2 more times with just the lips. But I can't stop, so we're gonna do that with our bodies too. So just allow it to kind of shake out, yeah? Breathing in. Breathing in. Get it out. Last time. Good, okay. So now we will give our exhales a tone. For the first few, maybe just play with the voice, maybe for all of them. But since this is a movement, try and see if you can play a duet between your body and the tone. Maybe it's even just your hand, perhaps it could be your head. Yeah, just see what arises. So try and release from your mind, drop into your heart, exist from that cellular place, from your guts, and let's play. Okay to feel funny. It's okay to laugh at yourself. It's okay if it brings up other things, if you feel coughy or phlegmy. Yeah, just keep diving. 3 more, guys. Okay. Now, let's just take a few little, but we're going to close the lips so we can again really feel that vibration. Place your hands anywhere on your body. Two more. Last one. Okay. Allow your hands to release. Stand in Tadasana. Again, just feel the change. Is there a change? Do you feel yourself vibrating still? Do you feel more open? Did it bring up anything emotionally for you? I spoke in a little video about how I would like people to hear me. And I've never been one that is shy to speak. I don't know where that comes from, but it's not, I'm realizing now, especially putting out videos like this, it's not so much even what I'm saying, but I would like you to be held and feel loved and supported by my voice, period, regardless of what I'm saying. So this is me offering my voice to you and asking how you would like your voice to be heard in the world. And just taking a moment, maybe hands on your heart or your third eye, grounding into the earth, connecting to our ancestors and angels, keeping all of those who are no longer with us and who do not have a voice, keeping them in our hearts so that we may have the courage to speak for them. And so we may speak so they may never be forgotten. My love is always to you. Have a beautiful day. And may you use your voice Isn't that funny? May you use your voice to share some light and some love today too. Eternal love.